My name is Julie, and I'm a member of the patient support team. One of the most important things to remember before you collect your stool sample is that your stool should be a consistency that is typical for you. People ask, is it okay if I have loose stool? Since typical is different for everybody, there's not a one-size-fits-all answer here. If you typically have looser stool, you're good to collect a sample. If that's not typical for you, like if you are sick or experiencing a bit of diarrhea, it's best to wait until things return to normal for you. If for any reason the lab has trouble processing your sample, our team will reach out to discuss next steps. There is no charge to your insurer until the lab has a valid result. We understand that this is different for everyone, and that is okay. We are here to help if you have any questions.